Howdy folks, it's Captain Banana, and today is November 26th. Yep, it's Saturday, November 26th. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about the cruise control system on a Freightliner. I'm driving a 2022 Freightliner, and one of the things it has is downhill assist. That means when you're getting ready to come down a hill, you cancel the cruise control, put the Jake brake in the first position, set the cruise control, and dial in the speed that you want the truck to maintain. And it will maintain that speed all the way down the hill. Now, if your load's too heavy and it can't maintain that, you can do what they call stab braking. You step on the brake, slow it down until it gets to the speed where you want it, let off the brake. If it gets faster than that speed, step on the brake, slow it down again. If you slow it down slower than the speed that you had it set to, then it'll set that speed, set the new slower speed. It does that automatically. When you're at the bottom of the hill, you just put the Jake brake back into the zero position or the off position, and it will resume whatever speed you have the cruise control set to. Comes in pretty handy. I learned that when I was in training at Prime, and my trainer didn't know about the downhill assist, so I taught him something. Another thing with the cruise control is if you hit the plus button or the minus button, to set the cruise control, either plus is faster, minus is slower. If you hold it down, it will skip by 5 miles an hour. So if you're at 50 miles an hour and you hold it down, it'll skip to 55 and then 60 and 65. If your truck will go that fast.
Continue on the current road.
If you're driving a Prime truck, sorry, unless you're a lease op, you're only going to do 62. Here at Go Express, we can do 70. Yeah, buddy. But yeah, so that's how the cruise control works. It's a very useful feature.